Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good morning to all. Okay, today we have teacher Salina's class. She will be observing your class. So please behave, especially hurry. Alright, now before we start, I'm going to show you a video. So please, if you have that, please pay attention to the video because after I play the video, there will be questions. Alright? So,
the iconic Route 66. What's it all about? What's the story? Well, in a nutshell, in the late 19th century, early 20th century, east-west travel across America was by railroad. Then, the motor car came along, and a jumble of individual roads became designated into one highway in 1926 that ran from Chicago to LA for around 2,500 miles. It was called Route 66. All the way along it, towns sprung up for the passing trade. Motels, restaurants, attractions, shops, you name it. Everything flourished, and it was the icon of 1960s and 50s popular culture. Then, just as video killed the radio star, in the 70s and 80s, Interstate 40 replaced Route 66. In many places, it swallowed it up completely. In other places, it simply bypassed it. Either way, suddenly, all of that trade stopped. And many of those towns just simply fell away and disappeared. In 1985, Route 66 was officially declassified. It doesn't actually exist as an official road. But through the actions of many groups, historic Route 66, a tourist route, has come into being, and the rest is history.
about the video. Now I'm going to ask Abina. Here. Okay, Abina. What is the video about? It's about Route 66. Abina. Okay, have you guys heard about Route 66 before?
No.
Yeah, I didn't. Yeah. No, so this is the first time you heard about Route 66, right? Yeah. Okay, what is route? It's a route. Okay, route 66. It connects which state? What state? From which state to what state? In America. Chicago and? Very good, Dylan. Okay, it connects Chicago. Okay, so now we're going to learn more about this iconic American road. So now open your textbook, page 78. 78. Okay, now look at the fact box. Okay, I'll read it. In 1945, the very first McDonald's fast food restaurant opened on Route 66 in San Bernardino, California. The Disney film Cars also takes place on Route 66. Have you watched this film? Yeah. Cars? Who hasn't watched it? You have not? Apa yang belum tengok ni? Saya? Cars is very iconic cartoon film. So you've never heard of it before? No? It's the red car, racing. So Zaid, you should watch it. It's my type of film. Okay? Will you watch it? Sure, please. Alright, now I'm going to play a listening audio. So you will listen to the audio while reading silently about Route 66. If you have If you come across any unfamiliar words, please raise up your hand and I will explain to you. Alright? Listen while you read.
7. Cultural awareness. Journeys in the USA. Exercise 2.
Route 66. Frequently asked questions. What is Route 66? It is a road that goes from Chicago in the Midwest to Los Angeles on the West Coast. It crosses 8 states and is 3,940 kilometers long. People sometimes call it the Main Street of America. How long has it existed? Since 1926. Now, however, there are newer, longer highways and Route 66 no longer appears on most maps. But people stopped using it now. No. Many people, especially tourists, still travel on it because it is an important part of American history. What's so important about it? Route 66 was one of the very first highways in the USA. Cars were a new invention then, and wide roads like Route 66 made it much easier to get from one place to another. Why has it become so famous? In 1946, Bobby Troup wrote a song about Route 66, which became a big hit. Since then, many performers have recorded versions of the song.
Alright, so far so good. Any unfamiliar words? No? No? If you have, please raise up your hand, okay?
Has the road changed a lot over the years? Yes, it has. But you can still see what it was like in the past. Herman's gas station in Thorough, New Mexico, first started selling petrol in 1935. The Wigwam Motel in Holbrook, where you could stay in a Native American tent, has also been there since the 1930s. Has anyone ever traveled along Route 66 on foot? Yes, they have. In 1928, there was a race which went from one end of Route 66 to the other, and then continued to New York. The route was 5,507 kilometers long, making it the longest race in history. What is there to see on Route 66? The road passes through beautiful scenery, including the Arizona desert and the Black Mountains. There are also lots of interesting towns and sights on the way, such as the Grand Canyon.
13.
Alright, that's the end of the audio. Okay, any unfamiliar words? Or should I ask you? Okay, since you don't have any questions, I will ask Aisha. Where's Aisha? Stand up. What are tourists? Tourists. Have you heard of the word tourist? What is this? Who wants to help us? Yes?
Pertunjukan.
No? Who wants to help Said? Performance. Performance. Performers are the one who execute the performance. So, what are performers? Stop juri.
Pelakon.
Orang yang membuat audition.
Orang yang buat persembahan.
Membuat persembahan. Orang yang buat persembahan. Very good. Thank you, Zai. Right now, I want to ask Latin, Haziq. Oh, Adira. Look at question number 1. Look at the map and the picture. Which two American cities does Route 66 connect? Chicago and LA. Very good. How many kilometers? Very good. Now, Hamdi. Question number 2. What's the connection between the songwriter Bobby Troop and Route 66? Question number 2. Look at question number 2. What's the connection between songwriter Bobby and Route 66? Refer to the text. What's the connection? It's under the point. Why has it become so famous? The answer is there. Very good. Okay, so the connection is songwriter Bobby wrote a song about the road. So that's what? It became famous, a big hit. Alright? Now, I want you to do questions 3 and 4. But let me explain first. For question 3, read the text again. Are the sentences true or false? Correct the false sentences. Let's look at number 1. Let's do number 1 first together. Route 66 is the longest road in America. Now what? Is it true or false? True. True or false? Try it. Is it the longest road in America?
Oh,
False. Why? What's the correct sentence? Why is it false?
There are newer longer highways.
Very good, because there are newer and longer highways. So, that's how you do number 3. And for number 4, find American words in the text that mean. So this is familiar. You are familiar with this type of question, right? In your examination. Right, you have to find the synonym. Okay, same word. So can you do it on your own? Okay, do it in your E1. If you have any questions, just ask. I'll give you around 10 minutes. Just write the answers. Yes, 3, 4. Only answers. Do not have to write the question. Yeah, correct. Four. The four. And then five. There. They are? Yes. Which question? You don't know, then how can I help you? You can discuss, okay? Go copy. Discuss. Yeah? If it's true, then you don't need to write anything. Yeah, only false. If it's true, then you do not have to write the reason. Is it true? Then just write true. False, then you need to explain why. Five more minutes. Zaid. 59. That's number 4. You need to do number 4 also. You need to find the synonym. Word that has the same meaning. Number 4 also. I give you. 2 more minutes. Are you there? Done. Okay, who's not finished yet? Not yet. Okay. Faster.
Okay.
Wait there. Okay, now let's start. Ready? One, two. Right. Three. Yeah. This year. Okay, attention, keep quiet. Number 3, 2. Your answer is true. Is it correct? Yeah. Very good. Yeah. The answer is true. Please stick with your red pen. Do you have a red pen? Okay. Kenya. Where's Kenya? Okay. Number 3. Number 3. Yeah, read. Okay, he answered true. Is it correct? Yes. Incorrect. The answer is false. Okay, who wants to help? Okay. False because? Yes, cars were a new expansion back then. That is good. Yeah? You right? Back then. Okay, I read the full answer, okay? False, because Route 66 was one of the very first highways in the USA when cars were a new invention. Yeah, that's the correct answer. What was the answer? What? Okay, I'll accept that. Cars were a new invention back then. Alright. Number 4. Sophia.
The weekend hotel has now closed. Closed. The weekend hotel is still open today.
Yes, your answer is false. False because the hotel is still open. Okay, the answer is false, correct, but the reason is not quite right. Okay, I'll read the answer. Because you can still stay at the Wingman Hotel. Okay? Wingman Hotel. Okay, number 5, Akim. Very good, because they continue to New York. Okay, who got 4 marks? Oh no. Guys, From the man side. One. Which question? Number 3. Yeah, it's quite tricky, that one. Okay, number 4. Nurin. The big group, what is it? Very good. Highway. A big group. The synonym is? Highway. Very good. Dia. Another dia. Central, okay? Very good. Yes. Yes. Oh, that's not. The synonym for petrol. Petrol is oil, right? So gas station. It must be gas. T-shirt. Yes. Not gas station. Very good. A hotel, the synonym is? Hotel. Okay, what's the difference? Size and price. Which one is cheaper? Hotel or hotel? Hotel is? Yes, Queen's Hotel. Should be the way. No, I don't accept that. Right now, we still have time, right? What time is there now? 9? Okay, 10. Okay, since we have time left, I want you to think of the longest car journey you have done in Malaysia. The longest car journey you have had. The longest journey you personally have traveled. For me, it's from Terengganu to Sarawak. For you guys, yes, in Malaysia. But anyone has gone overseas before? Really? Where? Australia. Alright. Now, are you clear? The longest journey in Malaysia or overseas? Up to you. Where did you go? What did you see? What did you enjoy about the journey? And what didn't you enjoy? Refer to number 5. Okay, 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Up to you. Want to be spontaneous? Okay, you must present in front. Of course, you have got Australia. After you want to be spontaneous. Sorry, what's the longest journey you have been? Very late. Okay, talk about very
Sebab benda ini coklat, yang ini lebih hal.
Yeah.
So you have the longest journey yet. This is you can say
Betul, barang
Are you ready? Okay, do you have to be spontaneous? Let's get. You want to be spontaneous? You all have to see. Okay, so your time. Yes. The longest we need, but you enjoy. And you can spend like 7 minutes, like 4. You saw like Your face is like that's right. Alright, ready? So the first presenter Let's listen to Shakira. I'm gonna run and talk about your Okay, class, pay attention. Let's listen to Okay, go. Guys. What is it called? Food. Beautiful food. Or delicious. Delicious. Okay, what did you enjoy? You went swimming somewhere at beach. Okay. So is there anything that you don't like about everything? That's a lot of things to check it out. Okay, I want to ask the topic. Alright. What did Shakira talk about? She went to Sabah. Okay, what? The one thing she doesn't like about Sabah. You're not really attention, is it? Damn, incorrect. She did not even say the word damn. So who knows? She likes everything about Sabah. Okay, Alex? Hamza. Sam. Convenient, right? I'll have you. Okay, Hamza. Okay, hurry up. Let's reset. The last presenter for today is Hamza. Okay, Hamza. Please, do you want to have the recess? Yes. Pay attention to Hamza and give him support. So Hamza, what's the longest time in your head? Where? Where is it going? Where did you go, Hamza? You don't remember? Choose one. Why are you asking a friend? It's not you. Have you been outside of the gym? Have you gone Have you been to Sabah and Sarawak? Also inside the land. Where? Vera, okay, Vera. Who did you go with? Go, Vera. So what did you see, Vera? Guys, pay attention. What did you see, Vera? Visible sightseeing. Visible. I go sightseeing, Vera.